'Twas the day of Coach Meyer's visit, and all through the hospital, the patients were waiting, their excitement unstoppable. The toys were stacked on H6 with care, and the hopes that our bucks would soon be there.
If you can help some family brighten their day, it humbles you to be able to do that.
Merry Christmas, Coach.
Seeing the faces when they got to see gifts and see a smile break out on their faces and maybe forget about a tough day for a few minutes. That was the best part.
You like Legos? All kinds of. We got some Hot Wheels.
Some kiddos were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of Brutus danced in their heads.
We got to go around to about 30 kids' rooms and hand them presents.
I think it's sometimes more from the parents, because sometimes the kids don't get to watch us.
It gives us a lot of opportunity to give back, and giving back is a big part of what Coach Meyer and what this program is believes in.
We had a lot of fun today.
I heard him exclaim as he walked out of view.
And don't forget, you can help these little patients too.